If you're planning to hike the 2-day short Inca Trail, here's a straightforward and complete guide with all the essential information you need. Permits, entry times, difficulty level, weather, challenges, archaeological sites, best season to travel, and key recommendations. Let's get started. 1. Permits and availability. The short Inca Trail requires an official permit issued by the Ministry of Culture. What this means? You cannot buy the permit at the entrance. Only authorized tour agencies can obtain it. Permits are limited. Only 250 people are allowed per day. Once permits sell out, there's no way to enter. How far in advance should you book? High season, May to October, 3 to 4 months in advance. Mid and low season, 1 to 2 months in advance. Important note, in February, the trail is closed for maintenance. 2. Entry schedule for the short Inca Trail. Here's something many travelers don't know. Entry to the trail is only allowed from 7 a.m. until 10 a.m. After that time, access is not permitted because it would be too late to reach Wiñayhuayna or the Sun Gate. 3. What is the itinerary like? The short Inca Trail begins at kilometer 104, where you check in at the control point. From there, you will visit the archaeological site of Chachabamba and continue along a gradually ascending path in the high jungle region. Further ahead, the Inca staircases begin, the most challenging part of the day. After conquering the stairs, you will arrive at Wiñayhuayna, one of the most important archaeological complexes on the route. Then you will continue along the final stretch, leading to the Sun Gate, where you'll get your first panoramic view of Machu Picchu. You will then take a bus down to Aguas, Calientes and spend the night in a hotel. The total hike on day 1 takes about 6 to 7 hours. Day 2 begins with entry to Machu Picchu at the time assigned on your ticket. You'll enjoy a guided tour of about 2 hours. After the visit, you return to Cusco by train. 4. Difficulty level. The short Inca Trail is considered moderate difficulty, perfect for travelers who don't want a multi-day trek. Factors that increase the challenge: a continuous 6 to 7 hour hike, steep Inca staircases, humidity in certain sections, especially during the rainy season, limited shade, increasing sun exposure, approximate maximum altitude, 8,858 feet. For most travelers with average fitness, it is completely manageable. 5. Risks or safety considerations. The short Inca Trail is safe, but keep these factors in mind. Wet or muddy trails during the rainy season, slippery stone staircases, strong sun exposure, possible mild altitude symptoms if not acclimated, warm, humid conditions along much of the hike. Essential tip: arrive in Cusco 2 or 3 days beforehand to acclimate to the altitude. 6. Best time of year to travel. Dry season, May-October. More stable weather, better visibility, dry trails, higher demand. Rainy season, November-March. Higher humidity, chance of rain, greener landscapes, fewer tourists. 7. Weather along the trail. Daytime, 64 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Nighttime in Aguas Calientes, 54 to 61 degrees Fahrenheit. Rain, more likely from December to March. Solar radiation, high radiation, sunscreen is a must. The hike takes place in warm, humid conditions, so bring lightweight clothing and a waterproof jacket. 8. Essential tips for travelers. 1. Book your permit in advance. 2. Acclimate to the altitude before the hike. 3. Wear hiking boots, not city sneakers. 4. Bring a light 20-25 liter day pack. 5. Use foldable trekking poles, optional. 6. Carry a rain poncho even in the dry season. 7. Stay hydrated at all times. 8. Respect your assigned entry times. 9. Don't improvise your plans, only authorized agencies can operate this route. 10. Hike at your own pace, it's short but intense. The 2-day short Inca Trail is an excellent option if you want an accessible trek full of history, with the chance to enter Machu Picchu through the Sun Gate. If you already have potential travel dates or want to check permit availability, the best thing you can do is secure your spot early. At Inca Peru Tours, we can help you verify dates, manage your official permits, and organize your entire itinerary from Cusco. If you'd like to book this experience, contact us and we'll guide you step by step to reserve the short Inca Trail and guarantee your entry without setbacks. We look forward to helping you enjoy this route safely, smoothly, and with the support of a professional team.